What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Jasmy, which has taken quite of a dip over the last couple of days. As you can see, it's down 10% in the last 24 hours, making it 0.004596 cents right now. So should you invest into it right now? Is it time to buy the dip, or should you wait for it to drop even more at a lower value and then invest into it? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view. What is the best thing to do right now, or is it just time to hold on to it for the long run? And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, looking at how high this crypto can go and looking at, is it worth investing into it this year? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as guys can clearly see on the side here, the whole market is down in the last 24 hours. As you can see, quite of a major drop here, and we can see the market is down over 3% in the last 24 hours, including Jasmy as well. In the last hour, it has more or less gained 0.3%, nothing major. Over the last day, nearly 10% down. As you can see, major drop here yesterday afternoon, where most cryptos did take quite a major drop, recovered tiny bit, but overall it has been dropping in value. Over the week it is still 19% up, and over the month a massive 45%, guys. And again, as you can see, dips are always part of the process, but this dip here did affect the whole crypto market, and most cryptos are down right now. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by just 2% in the last 24 hours, making it $65 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money. So yes guys, we are getting a lot of people investing into the crypto, and we are also seeing a lot of sellers panic selling, taking out their money, so on and so on. But at the moment we're not seeing as many traders, only because it's dropped in value, so most people are holding on to it rather than trading the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video. But as I previously mentioned, when it comes to Jasmy, the Fibonacci scale doesn't have much of a use, but we'll get into that later on. So for now, I'm just going to hide it. And let's get the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Jasmy at 0.004187 here in purple. However, it is trading at slightly higher value here in red at 0.004614, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? The blue, sorry, that's the hourly chart. The 30-minute chart, we are seeing the blue and the orange line heading towards the bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. Again, just because it's going to be an increase in value, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. It is going to be a very minimal increase in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. Again, there's going to be red candles as well. It doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting green candles, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So what I mean by slightly is we should potentially seeing it here about 0.0048 to 0.0049 is what I'm expecting, and again, nothing too crazy. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking quite bullish, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line still going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive. So an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say over the next week or so, by mid next week, I'm expecting Jasmy to once again go for an overall increase in value, potentially going past 0.005 cents is what I'm expecting. There's going to be a slow and steady increase in value, and again, just like the 30-minute chart, this doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green candles. We are going to have red days like today and yesterday, and green days where it's going to pump, but it's going to be an overall volatile experience. But the overall outcome is going to be more on the positive side, which is what we want to see, and that's all we want. So yes guys, do expect an overall increase in value over the next 7 days. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? As you can see, not looking as bullish. We got clearly the blue line is heading towards a negative direction, looking quite bearish. So yes guys, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish. So an overall fluctuation in value is what I'm expecting over the coming weeks. However, because of how the crypto market has been performing over the last 2.5 weeks since the start of the year, it's been very green. On the bullish side, I am expecting an overall increase in value on Jasmy over the coming weeks. So let's say by mid-March to late March 2023, I am expecting an overall increase in value on Jasmy, heading towards the 1 cent target is what I'm expecting. We should be trading around 1 cent in late March, early April as well. And again, these are my takes as of right now. This may change according to any new updates, new news, or any new collaborations that Jasmy's got going on, especially with the crypto market going through a crash or a bull run or so on. These things will have a major impact, not just on the value of Jasmy, but the whole crypto market in general, and anything like that which I can predict. I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far it's looking quite good for Jasmy, especially over the next couple of weeks and months as well. I'm expecting more increases in value, but again, you guys have asked for regular updates on Jasmy, which I have been doing and I will be doing as well. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to watch my Jasmy updates, and also there's plenty of other cryptocurrencies that I cover on this channel as well. It's not just Jasmy. But yeah, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale, which is useless when it comes to Jasmy, because as you can see, we are literally in the lowest part of the red zone, and for us to even hit the resistance target, the line here, we need to hit $1.18. So for us to go from 0.00, just about 0.5% to $1.18 is, you know, it's not going to happen anytime soon. It's going to take years for that to take place, and it's going to require a massive percentage increase for us to hit even the $1 mark, guys. So again, yeah, I'm not expecting us to break out of the red zone anytime soon. For at least the next 4 to 5 years is very likely to be trading in the red zone, but that doesn't matter, guys. As long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction, heading towards the green zone, we should be good to go. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jasmy, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below your end of your target for this crypto. Where's the highest figure this crypto can hit this year? Let me know in the comment section. And also, what are your predictions from this dip that's taken place over the last 24 hours? Is it going to recover or is it going to get worse? Let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I don't want to keep you guys for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I am trying to hit 100k. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, because at the end of the day, it's free to subscribe. But yeah, sorry, that is pretty much it. I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.